Building a side hustle crypto portfolio. That's what we'll be talking about in today's video. So crypto isn't just an investment anymore, right? It's a side hustle factory with the right mix of trading, staking, referrals, just automation. Anyone can actually build somewhat of a multiple income stream hustle there that kind of compounds over time as well. And the tools and the exchanges that are available now just make it very, very easy and also quite safe to do that. So that's what we'll be exploring in today's video. Let's talk right about this whole idea of how to actually build a side hustle portfolio that works while you sleep. Number one, right? You want trading for active income, right? So for those who want to be hands-on, trading remains the most dynamic way to grow capital. Unlike in 2017 or 2021, today you actually don't have to just fly blindly, right? You can have platforms that offer advanced charting, perpetual contracts, even copy trading, all of that. Platforms like Binance, MEXC, K6, BingX, so many platforms. You can always just check out the links down below. Prime XBT, which gives you access to crypto, forex, commodities with high leverage and intuitive tools. You can use decentralized platforms like Gains Networks, G-Trade, for example, right? And trade synths and really access deep markets with high leverage and have a dedicated portion of your side hustle portfolio on that focus of just short-term trading, taking advantage of the volatility the crypto markets use. All you need to be doing here is making sure you're using strict risk management, of course, because trading, especially in the perpetual markets, comes with a high risk if you don't set you take profits or stop losses and or other measures, obviously, to hedge against the downside. So another thing to look into is staking, right? You can stake for just earning passive yield. And not every dollar needs to be in play. Of course, you know, staking does allow you to lock tokens and earn yield while supporting the networks. For example, you can even use centralized platforms like Binance, which offers flexible staking on dozens of coins, and you can get compounding rewards. For maximum security, you can also stake via hardware wallets like Ledger, which ensures that you earn yield without giving up self-custody. You can go to our ecosystems tab. I'll leave the link down below so you can check out these platforms and get started using the links there. So you can also get some deals, right? So think of staking as you know, kind of your crypto savings account, right? Slow, steady, and resilient. Of course, not financial advice, but this is how I view it. Okay, and then you can think about referral programs where you can turn your network into income. One of the most overlooked crypto side hustles is referral. Right? Nearly every major exchange offers affiliate rewards, meaning that you can monetize your community, your content, and even casual conversations, right? So you share links to your affiliate and kind of offer added value as well, like guides and trading tips, so people can actually then use your links and you can make recurring income. And I do suggest that you use my links, okay, so you can also get started and I can also earn some of that revenue. The other thing to think about is bots and automation, right? The real side hustle magic here comes from automation, because trading bots take the emotion out of trading and let you capture those small profits around the clock. And platforms like MEXC and Prime XBT have all these inbuilt tools like Greek trading and copy bots. You can use PyNX, for example, which lets you use AI bots, and you can pair these bots and trading tools with trading tools like TradingView, signals, or API execution to really supercharge your results. And bots won't make you rich overnight, of course, but they will free up your time and let your portfolio actually do the hustling for you. So when you put it all together, I think the side hustle portfolio model is 40% trading, right? Active strategies to get you that regular income. Staking, right? Let's say you do 30% staking securely via either Binance Earn, Ledger, or DeFi platforms, you know, and lending and borrowing markets, for example, like RV and compound and things like that. Or you can have referral income, sharing your referral links with your networks and educating people about the benefits of crypto and the dangers of the crypto markets, and just letting people support you through referrals. And then you can use automated strategies using bots. And this diversification actually lets you earn that income from different ways, multiple channels, volatility, yield, network effects, and automation, right? So I think crypto side hustle portfolio isn't about chasing quick gains. It's about creating layered income streams that complement each other using the right tools and the right platforms. So make sure you check out the links down below and get started, and join our community. We are available on more than 30 social media platforms, and check out my book DeFi Millionaire if you want to learn about decentralized finance, and go to blockchain applied in tokenized trillions if you want to learn about real world asset tokenization on the blockchain. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.